Hey guys.
No. That was so fake.
Hey.
Hey guys, it's Sarah
And Sam.
from Poosh, and we are here to unbox our Poosh and Clarins Valentine's Day mailer. So we always do a theme, and this theme is
self-love.
Yes, I love myself.
So let's start with skincare in honor of Clarins.
Yeah.
And they
all
partnered
give
with Jeff
ourselves
Latham for this incredible floral arrangement. That
So you know
guys
how much
can-
I love beauty products.
Yes, we all know.
And I discovered their
Double serum.
double serum with the last mailer that we did. I'm obsessed with it. I feel like it makes
People
my skin
love
super
it.
glowy.
I love it too.
And now they have an eye cream, right?
Yeah, so they're launching Double Serum Eye.
I'm so excited
These
for that.
products are amazing, I think. We both think. Full of plant extracts and natural ingredients.
And then we also have a cream.
Yep, they're extra firming energy cream.
Yay.
And I'm excited about the Double Serum Eye. An eye cream is, you like to say, just as important as an SPF.
I would say it's up there with SPF. You want to start early and be preventative with it.
Yeah.
Also, what I love about this is that when you take these out, you can actually display the flowers.
Exactly. So pretty.
just
Everyone will have
like
beautiful
them.
flowers for Valentine's Day.
Okay, so let's move on.
Well, let's talk for a second about the vessel, which is Pottery Barn Kids. It's so cute. We have a large basket and a small basket. They can be reused, obviously, for toys or blankets or
They have a little heart.
anything, but they're really
See?
cute.
You guys?
Should we start with Slip Silk?
Yes.
Because this is a collab with our Poosh friend, Stacey Bendette of Alice and Olivia.
So this Paisley will be available on shop.poosh.com. I love an eye mask. How does
These
it look?
scrunchies and eye masks, so chic, so cute. The eye mask and the scrunchies can all
gonna go to
be
sleep.
bought on Poosh.com, shop.poosh.com. And these
Wait, are those for my finger?
mini, tiny
Finger
braid scrunchies.
Oh, that's cute.
So cute.
Or I guess you could do a half up with it too.
Yeah, they also did a custom for Poosh for this mailer, an amazing robe. Which who doesn't love a slip silk robe? Oh my god, too
And
cute.
it's so soft. I love it. Okay, moving on. Oh, Skims.
Bubblegum color, cute little loungewear.
It's like a loungy PJ thing. This would actually be very cute with this over it. Next we have our Griffin Ivy Rose Probiotic Chocolate Hearts.
I love these. They make them for
Me too.
kids too.
I'm gonna take one
We're
right
selling
now.
these on our site, and they have 15 billion strains of probiotic.
And they taste so good.
Carvana. I'm so excited about this. Such chic packaging. Free cannabis.
Are you
vape
stoned right
pens.
now?
No.
Maybe that's the problem.
One sativa, one hybrid, and one indica. Awesome, very beautiful packaging, and they're all personalized. The vape pens.
And aren't they
And really
have, like, a
clean ingredients.
formula?
Yeah, clean ingredients.
This will be Sam's favorite
My go-to.
product in here. We love broccoli.
We love broccoli.
And it's the first time that they're pairing their
Gloves.
gloves with, I wouldn't even call it underwear. It's like more like
I'll have to research how to use this, but
So you put just
massage
touch.
gently.
It's like a nice touch. Does it feel good?
Yeah. Should we do Maison Jacinthe?
Yes, I'm actually wearing one of the lipstick colors right now. It's really pretty.
And a new set of brushes.
I love these brushes.
They're
so
vegan.
soft.
They're vegan, and who doesn't need new cosmetic brushes? Oh, and then that is a blush palette. So we have their blush palette.
Everyone should be
Really
cheeky for
pretty.
Valentine's Day.
Colors. House of Wise. So we have their CBD sex serum and their gummies, which are supposed to together work great.
Stimulate.
This stimulates, this excites. This also has horny goatweed in it. Is that even a real thing?
Yes, we actually wrote an article about horny goatweed on Poosh. I'm excited to try this. I mean, I don't know who I'll try it with, but maybe I'll try this with
You
this.
can try it with, exactly, that's what I was going to say.
A
This
clitoral stimulator. This I'm very excited about.
Ella Paradise, and this can be used with a partner or by yourself. We are very supportive of sexual health and wellness, and so for Valentine's Day, we don't want anyone to feel left out. Okay, so we have the Webster South Beach Miami candle. It smells amazing. Who doesn't love a candle?
Well, we know you like them.
I sure do.
She likes a candle too.
I sure do.
Okay, up next we have the Happiness Planner Self-Love Journal.
Cute.
Because everyone should be loving on themselves and keeping track of it.
Intelligent change. These are also really cute. So these are actually supposed to like help connect on a deeper level.
Let's try one. Should we do closest? Okay. What embarrasses you the most in front of other people?
I'm not easily embarrassed, but probably like farting, I think.
Do you fart in front of other people?
But I mean, like as a kid, once I did in third grade.
In front of the whole class?
Yeah. And it was embarrassing.
Sorry. Okay, do you want to try one with me?
How do you relieve stress? How would you rate our relationship, on a scale of 1 to 10? We'll leave it at that. Better answer.
It's a 10, Samantha.
Yes.
10.
Okay, so we have Jenny Patinkin Cryo Globes.
Oh, I love these. We sell these on Poosh, and they're amazing for lymphatic drainage and also for any sort of puffiness.
Heart-shaped rose quartz.
Gua-sha. This is
Gua-sha.
so perfect for Valentine's
This is so
Day.
cute.
Just self-love your face.
It is love that lifts us up.
So staying with the self-care, self-love for the skin, we have our new DMH Anti-Aging Light Shield. And this is a brand new product that's exclusive to Poosh. All of our light shields do so well. It's a Poosh team favorite.
3 times the strength as the last max we did. Also, this is just really for anti-aging. So sunspots, fine lines, wrinkles.
And it's preventative. You can wear it and do other things. So I can wear it and continue the unboxing.
Then we have for the body, New Face, which we love. This will be also on our shop. Their body device and gel.
I've never tried
love
this.
The face one.
Me too, I love it. It really does, I notice a difference when I use it regularly. It really does tone the skin.
Last, but certainly not least, Sijo Home, their Clima bedding and duvet.
Because there's nothing more important to self-care and self-love than a good night's sleep.
That's the truth. They're super light and airy, sustainable, so comfortable. You use these.
I have them on my bed. I love them. So I think that's it for our unboxing of the Poosh and Clarins Valentine's Day mailer. This is honestly one of my favorite mailers.
Me too.
I'm so excited.
The best stuff.
And most of the stuff is available on shop.poosh.com.
Like and comment below.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day. I'm dead.